Today, we're reviewing Amazon's top 3 best car seat covers. Let's start. Number 3. LINGVIDO. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the LINGVIDO breathable waterproof car seat covers. These covers are versatile and designed to fit most car models thanks to their universal fit. The material is breathable and waterproof, so you can say goodbye to sweaty summer seat moments and worry about accidental spills. The installation is straightforward, even if you're not the DIY type. What's cool about these covers is their sleek design. They come in neutral colors that can blend seamlessly with your car's interior. While they don't have as much padding as our higher-ranked picks, they still protect your seats and upgrade your car. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone on a budget who wants a clean, functional seat cover without all the bells and whistles. Number 2. Aierxuan. The Aierxuan waterproof leather car seat covers come in at number 2, and oh boy, these are a step up. First, they're made of high-quality faux leather that looks premium, scratch-resistant, and waterproof. This is perfect if your pets or kids treat your car like a playground. The best part, these covers are fully compatible with airbags, adding an extra safety layer. And unlike other covers, these come with padded cushions that make your seat feel comfier. They're also super easy to clean. Wipe them down with a damp cloth and they'll be as good as new. The only downside is that they take a bit longer to install, but trust me, the luxurious look they give your car is worth it. Number 1. Coverado. And now, drumroll please, the number 1 spot goes to the Coverado seat covers waterproof leather protectors. If you're all about mixing style, comfort, and durability, this is the one for you. These covers are crafted from premium Napa leather, giving your car that ultra-luxurious vibe. They're not just good-looking, though. These bad boys are waterproof, scratch-proof, and have extra padding for ultimate comfort during long drives. What makes them stand out is the meticulous stitching and two-tone design that screams elegance. Plus, installation is a breeze thanks to the included installation video, so even if you're a total newbie, you'll have them set up in no time. And they're airbag compatible too. While they are a bit pricier, the quality and the upgrades they bring to your car make them worth every penny. Seriously, these are next level. Alright, there you have it. Amazon's top 3 best car seat covers. Whether you're after something budget-friendly, luxurious, or in between, there's something on this list for you. So, what are you waiting for? Click the Amazon links below to check out these products and grab the one that fits your style and needs. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a future review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.